thunderstorm warning for Putnam County, Orange County, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Walden to 11 miles southwest of Middletown, or along a line extending from Walden to 6 miles southeast of Port Jervis, and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Montgomery, Goshen, Florida, Gardnertown, Chester, Newburgh, New Windsor, Monroe, Cold Spring, West Point, Fontstock State Park, Lake Carmel, Mattapack, and Brewster. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Monday evening for southeast New York. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New York: Orange and Putnam.